I've chosen to do my reflective narrative as a video. Um, I, in comparing the voiceover video to the video that I did at the beginning of this class, this video, I have to admit, was a little more intimidating to me. The other just seemed just simpler as far as just using my webcam and videoing myself, but this, with putting the picture within picture, at first was just something I didn't think that would come easy to me, but here, this second go around of doing my reflective narrative this way, I was able just to go in and follow this or do the steps without following directions. So I felt very confident in doing so. So I feel that as our students become more confident in their ability to do things, the more they do it, the more they practice, I feel that I will become a better teacher in using these technology tools in that way, because I'm getting myself more familiar with the technology. As far as the benefits of providing this kind of video for my students with regard to my teaching and content, I teach elementary. I teach kindergarten, actually, and it's been very interesting to read the discussion comments and all the research I've done through this class and other classes in regards to little children using technology. It's amazing at what they're able to do now, and I can see this tool being something that will be beneficial to me, even though, again, at first I thought, well, this is not something that my little 5- and 6-year-olds can use, but they can, and I'm excited about trying it in my classroom and seeing how well that they'll grow as learners having this experience. And so most challenging as far as the aspect of this assignment was probably just getting on my computer and actually doing it, working up to getting myself to that point of saying, okay, I can do this. Technology is not my strength. I usually rely on some of my coworkers to help bail me out of things, and so I feel like the more I do it, the better I'm going to become. And again, that's going to help my students. As far as the aspect of the assignment progressed most smoothly, just doing the Screencast-O-Matic, I was familiar with other forms and even had other tutorials and things with other programs, but I went by your tutorial on how to sign up for it, and it was very easy and went very smoothly. So I feel like that was the easiest thing. As far as the assignment, again, initial expectations, things that didn't go well, I didn't have any problems. So I was very happy and pleased that I didn't have to do a lot of takes on my video and that kind of thing. And I look forward to using this in the future. Thank you for the experience.